scroll, some looks like calendar. A lot of things, the bow and arrow, the spear. All kinds of things up there. Not sure how old they are, exactly who left them. I'm gonna pull up here closer to the rock here along the water's edge. Show you one there, it's about 10 inches big. I call it a sun or a firework. It's a circle in the middle, lines going around it, you call it what you want. I will swing the bow both ways, everybody will get a chance to see it. Okay, the taller stuff is like a bamboo. We're gonna go to the rock edge there. We're gonna follow the rock edge forward or north, the direction we're headed, to the first bush we come to in the rocks. Once you get to that first bush in the rocks, the drawing is 4 foot up and about 5 foot from the bush. It's gonna be 10 inches big, like I said, looks like a sun or a firework. And I'm gonna work my way in there and swing the boat so that everybody gets a chance to see it.
Okay, it's Wednesday, November 13, 2019. It's about 2:30 Arizona time. We're on a jet boat. We're on a jet boat between Lake Havasu City.
Okay, if you did not find it, it is directly in front of the boat right now.
Oh, yeah, I see that. That dark rock. With a little sunburst.
Yeah, right there. You see it down the lower right-hand corner, Patsy? You see that? That black rock right there, to the left of the bush. Okay, down the lower right-hand corner of it. You see it?
Okay.
It looks like, okay, you're looking in the wrong spot. Not that rock, the other side of the bush.
Yeah.
You gotta move your face. It's right. See my fingers at now?
Yeah, I don't see it.
Okay, because you're looking at the wrong rock.
I'm looking at it right there.
Right there. That's about this big.
It said 10 inches. I don't see it.
Shining sun.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it is.
We're on a jet boat tour, and it's 58 miles between Laughlin, Nevada, and Lake Havasu City, Arizona. The trip takes about 2 hours. The boat gets up to 30 miles per hour.
I see a nice